What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Mikey from JDM Icon here. And in this video, we're going to be just hanging out with some of the guys. All the snow is basically melting. My friend has an insane S14 that's 1JZ swapped. My other friend also has an S14. I think there's going to be like 3 S14s there. But we're just going to be having fun, hanging out and dialing in some of the cars for this coming season. So let's go ahead and check it out. So my buddy Ash and Ethan's whipping the JDM Silvia. Apparently it's in like a rear wheel drive mode, so maybe it's gonna go sideways or something, but my Z is broken. I don't wanna push it too much. Yeah, there he goes. Oh, was that a little flame? Oh sh. Yo, dude, that was sick! There was a fireball! Dude, replay, that was so sick! Oh! I totally miss summer. Oh my god, it is... I miss cruising with the boys. I miss doing like hood rat on the streets. Plus this season we have drift events, which I'm super pumped about. Oh my god. I am just so pumped. Oh my god. This summer is gonna be sick. I never really liked Silvia so much, but with an R34 front end, it looks so sick. Damn. Those headlights are like 3K a pop or something crazy. That's his daily. So what Ethan's doing here is just lower the car, put some spacers on, and he's gonna put his new wheels on here.
What do you mean, bro?
This is Ash, and this is his wheels. Ash is a freaking baller. Look at these wheels, man. They look so good. They're custom made in Japan. I'll show you guys Ash's car. So this is his 1JZ that he had on his S14. That one over there. And it looks so freaking sick. But he's gonna be painting the whole car as a body man. Right hand drive and everything. With the 1JZ swap over there. You wanna show him the wheel bearings? The reality of owning a drift car, guys. The reality of owning a drift car is not as cool as you think. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually scared. Yo, me too. I don't have my seatbelt, but honestly, I'm more.
You don't need that, man.
I'm more stuck with you than the front seat.
That's what I'm saying. You don't need one, man.
You're like a bucket seat for me.
Yo, I got you here. It's close. What the f*** get the shit out of me. If we hit the snowbank, just say it, okay? I just want to know before we hit it. I can't see shit right now. I can barely see shit.
Yo, you got your seatbelt on?
What the The headlights are dirty as I'm on high beams. I can't see shit right now. I'm driving. Where's the road?
Dude, what the fuck? EDM cars, bro. Bro, was that there before? Yeah. Oh, I thought he left it. I thought we lost it on the ride. Jesus Christ. I guess we're not getting anything.
Cops are here?
No. Cops are here, bro. Look. Oh no, police! Oh no! Hello!
Hi!
Review. Come here. This is Ash's Silvia.
Yeah.
Body man.
Okay.
Rate this. Yo! Nismo.
It's Nismo. It's fine then. It's good.
It's good. Brand name.
I'm okay with that.
I know, right? It's sick.
I'm a big fan of that.
I got you a mechanic, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, look at his wheels, bro. Looks sick, right?
Oh, these look sick though.
These are ashes, man. He sold the TEs and he got these. Yeah, looks fucking good, right?
How's it going? Fuck, these look sick.
Where's the FRS, man? Bring it up.
No, it has to be at least plus 10.
Yeah. Oh, Kevin, it matches your hoodie.
Very nice.
This stand's not too stable.
No, I'm used to this. This is what I use at home too. Yeah. You don't have this fanciness. And you know, this will never fail. That failed today.
That caused all these.
Dude, I think I have a bruise on my foot, honestly.
These three?
This one, that one was completely bent, and then this one right here.
What was that?
Yo, are those my ribs?
Yours now. Trading you straight.
Whoa!
Yo, take
Whoa,
that.
bro! That's racist!
Take that.
Wow. Ready for paint now.
No, clear.
Every S chassis owner ever, his facial expressions is just so unimpressed with the car. Man, it sucks being cool.
It really does. It really does.
The S14 is finally done. This is the face of a proud S14 owner. How do you feel?
These cars are amazing. Built super well.
Yeah? Nice
Honestly,
and rusty,
everyone needs to get one. They're better than Honda Civics.
right? Okay, so it's going down. This is his new height, his fitment, and everything.
Yo, get the-
so
get
you're
the-
running 1 inch spacers at the back
Yeah, ½ inch in the front.
and ½ inch in the front. Yeah.
Yo, get the airlift controller.
Oh. Bro, it looks f***ing sick, man.
Can you fit $1 in there?
Yeah, you have a lot of space, bro. Oh yeah. So much space, bro. Hey! Dude, it looks nice. You got the new wheels from Kansai.
Celebrate with a burnout?
Fuck yeah!
Have you done a burnout before?
He taught me in the parking lot one day.
Dad taught you in the parking lot?
Dad taught me in the parking
Daddy
lot.
Ash?
Torque all the wheels down before you forget. I'm just thinking, should I uncamber the front?
No.
No, I think you're fine.
You want it even and it's even?
Yeah, there's a lot of space in there.
No, but I mean like if I would have slammed the front, they would have matched the back.
Well, you're not done working on this car? he's that committed to perfect fitment. He's that
What happens
committed.
when I hang out with this guy too much?
Yeah. The car looks good though, bro. The car looks good.
He enrolled me into Fitment University.
This thing actually looks fucking sick. Yeah. Bro, that's baller, bro. It doesn't rub. Does it rub?
Yeah, actually rubs.
All four?
not rubbing. The back's rubbing?
No, I can hear something.
That's the tire.
That's
It's
the
brand new
tires,
tires.
bro.
Yeah, it's the stickers. It's brand new tires.
So this was a sound they were all hearing. Oh well.
It'll come up on the highway. Oh, it's so close.
You can't turn and go over a bump.
No,
It's, you gotta pick
You
one.
gotta send it. Like you gotta drive a low car. You just gotta send it.
You want
Don't
more?
think-
You want more body work, bro?
Dude, she looks nice.
It looks good, man. I like it. Just like the silver and the white looks good. Very classy, elegant.
Looks good.
Gotta end the night with a positive note. Hello everyone. I'm currently editing this video and I noticed I didn't end it. So here I am. By the way guys, don't mind what I'm wearing. This isn't anything on the JDM Icon website. By the way, which is open right now if you want to take a look at what's actually available, link down below. It's kind of like my pajama. I got this online and this is just like a Demon Slayer Tanjiro kimono. Anyways, before we end today's video, I just wanted to let you guys know that number one, the store is open. We have infinity mirrors. One of my favorite designs, no airbags. Josh actually made this design and it looks super like JDM. I don't know like how else to describe it, but it says no airbags. English and Japanese with a thumbs up. Gives me like No Good Racing vibes because it has like the Mickey Mouse hand on the side, the glove. If you guys know what No Good Racing is, you guys know what's up. They're super big in like the Japanese car scene with Hondas and like illegal street racing and stuff like that. Super cool stuff. But I just wanted to kind of sum up this video. It was super fun hanging out with Ethan and Ash again. Of course, Kevin. Kevin's like one of my day ones in terms of like the YouTube channel and like my close friends. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.